Maintaining a healthy scalp is very important. It will not only allow your hair to grow long and strong, but it will also reduce hair fall. In this video, I will be sharing with you a DIY scalp detox which will help you mildly exfoliate your scalp as well as provide your hair good nourishment, that too without drying your hair. This is That Creative Girl. Welcome back to my channel. Without starting today's video, I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Let's start with today's video. I'm gonna take a glass bowl and add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil will help your hair grow longer and thicker. The vitamins and essential fatty acid naturally found in coconut oil nourish the scalp and help to remove sebum buildup. The next ingredient I'm gonna add is jaggery. I know weird as it sounds, jaggery contains lots of antioxidants that fight free radicals. Vitamin C present in jaggery will help in making lifeless hair healthy as well. I'm here making a very mild scrub, but if you want it more granularly, you can use sea salt or muscovado sugar as well. Next, I'm gonna add lemon juice. It is rich in alpha hydroxy acid. It will gently remove the outer layer of dead skin cells and product buildup. It will promote hair growth and give a lustrous shine to your hair. Here I'm adding 2 spoons of lemon juice. If your hairs are a bit sensitive, you can add only 1 spoon. It is very important to look for the proportion, as too liquidy won't do the job and too thick will make it difficult to apply. Now mix this properly till jaggery gets properly separated into our mixture. We've got the perfect consistency. Now the next ingredient we're gonna add is Fuller's Earth or Multani Mitti. Fuller's Earth contains healthy minerals like silica, iron oxide and alumina. The granular texture of Fuller's Earth improves blood circulation, and it's a very mild cleanser that not only purifies the scalp but also removes germs and bacteria. If you don't have Fuller's Earth, you can add rice flour. It will do the job. Our scalp detox is ready. You can store this in a small bottle and keep it in a fridge for up to 2 to 3 weeks. For the application, take small quantities of this and massage onto the scalp for at least 2 minutes. Leave it for at least 15 minutes and then rinse off with mild shampoo, or you can use DIY shampoo I made. I will link that video in the description box. This scalp detox will get rid of toxin buildup from your scalp, and it will improve your scalp circulation. It will also unclog your hair follicles and get rid of dryness and flakiness if you have any. I will suggest using this scrub twice a month for strong and healthy hairs. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.